Model, 64 Paste Ford Transit Connect 200 Limited Great Bodywork and Spec Long Mot DriveAway. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 390673. MOT, the 7th of October 2025. Engine, 1560 cc 1.6 TDCI 115 PSC. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. The gearbox and transmission are in good condition and it pulls well in all gears. No lights on the dash. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features, 3 former keepers, full service history, 2 keys, cruise control, parking sensors, aircon. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for